And whatever the software applications it develops, few names are these, or the prime names are these. What is the name, guys? What you're seeing here? S for HANA. When you see S for HANA, what is this? This is the name of a software application along with its database. Now, apart from that, we have another name as ECC. Apart from that, we have other name as SAP R3. So SAP AG develops these software applications. And when I have given dot, 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 etc., that means we have lot many. What do? They develop software applications, and these software application purpose is to run a business. Every software develops has some other, or develops in the world has some other purpose. What's the purpose of this SAP AG developed software applications? Is to run a business. And if a software is designed through which a business can run, we term that software application as ERP application. Got it, guys? So a big question would strike your mind when I say we are going to work on or learn the subject on software applications, running businesses. How a business is ran on a software application. A general question would come to any graduate. If you guys are inexperienced, if you are experienced, you understand things very well. For this, I have just given you these two boxes. Guys, whenever we see a box as an admin, this box is a hardware for us. Or nowadays we say hardware or cloud. Probably you hear a word cloud a lot. So what is a cloud? You have some questions in your mind itself. So I'm going to clarify that as well. But for now, this is a hardware, computer hardware. That is a server hardware. On that server hardware, we have to load what? Operating systems. So in our world, we work on Windows and Unix operating systems. On that Windows and Unix operating systems, we have loaded SAP given software. Might be that is ECC, might be R3 or S4. So after reloading this system, people have configured business on it. What business, guys? Let us talk about a business, pharmaceutical business with the name Dr. Reddy Laboratories. It is very near to us. Now, similar way, I have got another box here, wherein what business is ran on this soft drink manufacturing company, Coke, Pepsi, that kind of business is running on it. So again, the question remains the same. Sir, how a business runs on a software? Guys, are you seeing these arrows here? These arrows are representing that the employees of this company are logged into this system on a daily basis. The people who are responsible to do sale are creating sales orders in the system. People who are responsible to buy any raw material, those people are creating purchase orders. The people who are sitting in finance, they are inputting finance information there. The people who are responsible to do production, they are entering the production data into this system. So in this way, the entire employees of the business, when they enter the data into a single software and its database, we term this software is running that business. Is that clear to you guys? Everyone. So now you might be wondering, sir, we thought like you are going to start our class related to administration and you speak about software, hardware, cloud or something else. Leaving all these things, why are you focusing on business? Guys, and a big question again strikes your mind is to learn basis, do we need to have any business knowledge? Answer for that is, guys, we don't require any business knowledge as such. The only knowledge what we have to have is, tomorrow our job would be 24/7 job, right? And our job would be on this or such type of servers, not one, plenty. Such type of servers on which businesses are running on SAP given software. So our job is to maintain this server. Our job is to see to that the server performs good in prospects of performance. This server is up and running 24 bar 7. This server should be backed up in a correct timings. We have to look into all these particular prospects. That is our job. To just explain you that our job would be on a server on which businesses are running. I'm explaining you all these things about business. And once you understand that our job would be on such type of servers on which businesses are running is clear to you, I'm not going to speak about any business. I'm going to speak about basis only. So guys, whatever the softwares which are designed to run such type of businesses, we have a specific name to call that software as ERP software. Guys, anyone online have any questions now on this? Guys, do not hesitate. Make yourself or become mean in prospects of grabbing the subject and understanding the subject. I hope everyone understands who is a mean person. I have to understand that kind of attitude you need to have towards the subject. And unless until I understand, and if I am not able to do, I am not going to let Mr. Rashid to go further. You have that attitude from the day one till your classes gets completed. You will be able to do everything in practical, because our classes are total practical oriented. So I have already told you this. I'm not going to repeat. So if anyone have any questions on whatever I'm explaining, you can alert me and stop me. So if you go to anyone today and say, I have attended basis demonstration class. So obviously they like to ask, like, what is that gentleman has taught you? Gentleman means me only. So what I have taught you guys? I have taught you only one thing. SAP is a ERP developing company in the world which develops software applications with these names, and the purpose of these software application is to run businesses. Today across the globe, whether that is a small scale industry, medium scale industry, large scale industry, a global industry, whatever it may be, if it is a business, you need a software. And SAP has developed such softwares with which or on which any business can run. And we are going to work on such servers, and our job is to maintain that server and see to that it's up and running 24/7. And the users who are going to log in here are the employees of the business. They should not have any kind of issues working on the system. That's our core job. So now coming back to the picture, after you understanding this, if someone asks you, what is this SAP all about? Guys, SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. It's very simple understanding, guys. With the help of systems, that means hardware or cloud today, and their applications, that means software applications, produce your products. Any manufacturing company can produce their products by processing the data. Processing the data means the people who are sitting in manufacturing department or production department, what they are doing, what they have produced, that data is entered into the system. That data is seen in warehouse. Warehouse means go down. The people who are sitting in sales department would sell the data. The people who are sitting in finance will collect the data. That all data is totally data entry into this system. And the system wherein the data entry happens and the business go from step to step, and finally the owner of the company gets the money out of it. This is all happening on SAP servers today. So after you understanding those questions, guys, you can get one more question in your mind. Is SAP AG only doing such type of operations? Don't we have any other company which does similar kind of operations? Yeah? Answer for that is SAP is only one such company which develops this. Apart from that, you have biggest competitors of SAP are Oracle ERP. SAP ERP names are S/4HANA, ECC, R3. These are the software names. Similar to that, Oracle ERP names are Oracle Apps, Fusion, Oracle Business Suite, etc. So these are the names. Today when people say what is the name of Oracle ERP? Answer is Fusion. What is the name of SAP ERP? What's the name? S for HANA. What's the name of Microsoft ERP today? They call it as Navision. So all this particular software has similar what? Similar features and similar responsibilities to run the businesses. When you have in this way hundreds of ERPs across the globe, the very first question what has to strike your mind is, sir, why the name, or what is or why is the name ERP given to software applications? What is this ERP all about? You have to say SAP ERP, you have to say Microsoft ERP, you have to say